Hey guys, so this is my first house tour video. And guys, today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom apartment for sale in Westlands area of Nairobi. Alright, so this is a new construction. As you guys can see, it's still being built. But it's super nice, it's beautiful, it's spacious. I'm gonna start off with the door. As you can see, this is a secure door. It's very nice. And then I'm gonna close it so I can have some quiet time as I shoot the video. Guys, we're gonna start off with the kitchen. It's a nice kitchen over here. There's a fridge area. You guys can see it's been done very well. So let's look at this kitchen. It's a kitchen for you. It's a wash area. There's a water boiler over here. Guys, this is a wash utility room basically. We have a water boiler over here. You can place your washer dryer here. And then there's a balcony here. Once it's complete, you should be able to see outside. I'm gonna pan out so you guys can have a wider view of this place. Kitchen looks really good. So guys, the next place we're gonna look at is the dining area. Wow, it's cozy, it's nice, it's very well lit. Guys, look at the wall feature. Very well done. The lighting is just beautiful. And then there's another space here. Very well done as well. Then let's look at the living room space. It's minimally done. Guys, this is where you can place your TV. You can watch your movie, watch my YouTube channel here as well. You know what, you enjoy sitting on these cozy chairs. And then next to the living room is a balcony. Wow. Guys, this is a really nice balcony. There's some wall feature over there. And then once it's done, you'll be able to see outside. Nice. Look at the wainscoting, guys. Beautiful wainscoting. Again, very well done. This is a 2-bedroom apartment in Nairobi, guys. And before I show you the bedrooms, I just want to show you the prices in terms of how much they charge or how much these units cost. And I'm going to pan out to this brochure here. You guys can see, so the two bedrooms is priced accordingly. This is the one that we're looking at is this one here. It's this one here, guys. Okay, 11.5 million Kenyan shillings. In terms of dollars, I think that's like what? Almost $70,000. I'm not too sure the current exchange rate. All right, so let's go into the guest bathroom. Guys, this is a guest bathroom. There's a rain shower. There's a towel holder. The lighting is very well done as well. The tiling is really good too. The toilet is good quality. Okay. The wall tiling is amazing, guys. The finishing is super. Let's go to the bedroom number 1. Guys, it's a nice cozy bedroom. The space is really awesome. It's a nice little bed. It's a wall feature. Look at those wardrobes, guys. Very well done as well. There's a huge window here that will enable light to flow into the room. Yeah, nice cozy space, people. I really like this bedroom. Next, we're gonna look at the master bedroom. Yep, a different floor tiling. Gonna start off with the bedroom. There's a bedroom, guys. There's a balcony over there. Look at that bedroom, guys. Look at this wall feature. Very nice. Nice wardrobe as well. Very well done. Okay. I really like this balcony. I mean, you can chill here. So enjoy coffee or tea and just enjoy the views of Westlands in Nairobi, Kenya. Perfect. Guys, now let's take a look at the master bathroom. The tiling is really awesome as well. This is a bathroom. Yep. I think this is very well done, guys. The bathroom is really awesome. Finishing is good. Tile is awesome. The lighting is super cute as well. Okay. So in this part of Nairobi, I think this apartment is very well done, and it's super priced at the market value as well. You can rent it. You can buy it to rent, or you can buy it to live here. Okay. Very nice. Super beautiful, guys. I really like it. Wow. You can sit here and enjoy views of this nice, cozy apartment. Look at it, guys. Look at that apartment. It's very well designed, very well planned out. That entry door is just amazing, the way we've done it. And they've put in some security features as well. Here, I see an alarm here that you can install some security features here, so which is really important. Other than that, I'm super happy with this place, guys, to be honest with you. Very nice. Wow. 2-bedroom apartment in Nairobi, Kenya, on the Westlands suburb of Nairobi. Feels like anywhere in the world. And if you look at it, yep. Guys, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, share, and guys, continue supporting me, continue watching my videos, and folks, I'll see you on the next one.